Maayong buntag, mga dong, mga day. Kung wa mo kabalo, lain akong gipuy-an katong compared sa last vlog. In this video, I'm going to be showing you around this incredible Balinese-inspired resort high up in the mountains of Camiguin Island. Let's go! Okay guys, so I'm accompanied by Jay. So quickly tell us about what you do here.
Wait, hold on.
Di mo siya ready? On the spot. Quick lang ba?
Hey guys, so I am JR and I am the front office manager here in Bintana Sa Paraiso, Binunsaran and in Asag. So what I do here is I take care of the reservations and then also for promotions, marketing and ads, and I also do a little bit of vlogging and about the resort. So
Awesome.
that's it.
All right, so he's gonna take us around the resort. I haven't been around it yet, so this is gonna be my first time seeing all the little bits and pieces around it. So take the lead. Pwede lang mag-Bisaya, ha?
Yeah,
Pwede. Walk us through here. Is there any specific meaning to the spot, or?
Well, actually, this is just for aesthetics.
Yeah.
So pwede na to a picture diri. So this is also made if there are events like weddings and birthdays or debut.
Yeah.
So you can like take photos here.
It honestly looks pretty awesome with this ultra-wide lens as well. And I think that's a common theme here. You'll see later on that there's quite a bit of structures around this resort. It almost feels like it's a Disneyland theme park kind of thing. So let's keep going on. So that there is their reception. The other one that we started at was their old one.
And this is our restaurant.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So there's some dining tables as well. So as you can see behind me, these are their rooms, which I'll show you my room a bit later. I might have to clean it up a bit as well. So. All right, so where are we now?
So there used to be a mini bar here, but we took it out and then changed it into this one. So it'll feel more like resorty.
Yeah, and you can just lounge around.
Yeah,
you can just relax here and look at the views. I mean, my lens is a bit wide, but you can actually see White Island all the way over there, the ocean, and of course you've got palm trees, coconut trees.
And we also have our new addition to the resort. We have here our nest. We call it the nest. So this is where people take photos and dine actually.
Yeah, that looks awesome. And so are you guys building a second one there?
Yeah, we are building a second one here.
Yeah.
And the third one there.
Yeah, I was actually kind of just guessing, like it looks like that would be a perfect spot for a third one. So let's have a look. Okay lang mamukan mo salad? Okay, so we can go in. It has that, I don't know, bohemian vibe to it. It's super cool. You just got like twigs, and so it looks like a bird's nest. And how do you open this? I might need your help to open it. Guys, when you stay at this resort, I mean, it's kind of just 360 degrees. Everything looks incredible, surrounded by palm trees and the nature. Like imagine dining on this very spot, and yeah, all of that. Pretty awesome. So yeah, let's go in. And yeah, I would say it would fit quite a bit of people. Let's see, let's try, let's count it. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Damn. It could theoretically fit 10 people, but how many people normally do you recommend?
We would recommend 6 to 7 people here.
6 to 7. I was close.
And we still have to change our table to a bigger one.
Yeah, that's right. So that it can accommodate all the food that you order. But yeah, guys, you should definitely check this spot out. It's pretty awesome to just, yeah, like I said, dine here. And nakalimutan ko nag-Bisaya ang ko. Alright, I'm gonna speak Bisaya in the second half of this video. So yeah, what's next? What's this? What's an open area din?
This is this is for events. During pandemic, we made this like a stage for acoustic sessions. So we have like people around here with tables.
Yeah.
And just chill.
Awesome. So there's plenty of space, hey?
Yeah, and then I think
chairs and tables.
We are planning to make it into a like events hall.
Mm.
So we're
Oh
gonna
yeah.
build
Like
a
enclosed?
booth. There will be a booth and then
Mm.
glass windows, so you can still see the view from inside.
Oh, that's
from the
awesome.
inside.
Yeah, that'd actually be pretty awesome.
Dali dire is our pugad.
What's that?
Or pugad.
Pugad. What's that siya?
Pugad. It's like a,
I guess another
yeah,
nest.
it's kung pugad. It's also called nest.
So it's inspired by, I guess, our ancient ancestors and what they may have like used to live in. So yeah, I mean, a lot of people take photos here too. So like I said, almost every little spot here in Bintana Sa Paraiso, Binunsaran, you can actually take photos, and it's yeah, it's pretty much like a photo opportunity. So ang sunod na ko ipakita is a really awesome brand new spot that they just built. So let's go.
Kali na yun sa only ang infinity tube. They call this the infinity tube. It's like a
Okay.
it's like a portal.
Yeah.
Bali portal. So
Grabe
it's a
kaayo.
portal to paradise. And you'll see here the night view of Mambahaw.
Mura ni siya katong sa entrance ba, but on steroids. it's so much bigger. There's more wood and twigs to really, take shape of this infinity tube that they call. Yeah, look at that. And everything looks extra crazy with this ultra wide lens. It really, I guess, with the photos that you can capture here, and even videos, like it would look pretty awesome. And then, like any spot here in Bintana Sa Paraiso, it's always filled with nature and palm trees. I guess you can go around this resort, pick your spot, and just relax a little. We're high up in the mountains, so you're really disconnected from the town, from people, and it's up to you what you want to do here for relaxation. Alright Jay, show me the pool. Munang last ba? Okay.
So today, this is one of the best spots here in the resort.
Damn.
We have our pool here, overlooking White Island.
Yeah, look at that. Mura siyag lahi nga style compared sa Naasag property. Kaya diba dito sa Naasag, infinity pool man siya. This one, it's not quite, overflowing to the edge, but it has a pretty awesome view of White Island. But essentially, White Island is somewhere over there, hidden behind that tree. Jay was just playing around with the kawa bath. A lot of the tourists like to have a bath there as well.
Yeah, this is a kawa bath. It's like a traditional way of taking a bath.
Yeah.
So we're practically cooking you.
If you didn't hear that, it's a traditional way of taking a bath, which is to cook you. So they pretty much burn the wood underneath, and so it gets warm. I wouldn't say it gets hot, or does it? Nah, you can comfortably sit inside and have a warm bath there. So they've got, how many do they have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 rooms? Yeah, 10 rooms. You've got a first level and then second level. You can walk up these steps. Quite a bit of steps. Where I'm situated, it's pretty awesome. I'm in the corner on the second floor, so unobstructed views of the ocean and Camiguin Island. So look at that. And what you've got here is my breakfast that I finished. You've got this little dining table, a hammock, so plenty of places to lounge around, a bench to hang out with mates or friends. And this here is one of their rooms, so let me show you. So as you walk through the sliding doors, you've got this massive bed, great for two, and you have a study desk right here on the side. So I was actually just working there. I had my coffee as well. I shoved all my things in the corner there, so it looks nice for this video. But yeah, you've got two side tables, things to hang like a shirt, your towel, your robe, and they've got little nice decorations and greenery inside here. And let's check out the bathroom. And the bathroom here is actually quite massive. So much more space compared to the other property, which is nice. So here in their mountain resort, they actually just renovated one of their rooms, and they're gonna be doing it to, I believe, the rest of the rooms here as well. And so here it is. It's completely different. As you can see, it's cement. So murag dili bamboo ba, lain na siya. And so it's gonna be more sturdy. I believe they have plans in this area as well. I won't say anything, you'll see it when it's done. And why don't we go inside and check out the new space. So here in the balcony, you've got a couple of benches each side, so you can hang out with your friends. Oh, and this really cool hanging chair as well, so you can just lounge around with that amazing view here in the mountain. Going in, it's very similar layout. We've got the bed right in the middle, really massive bed, a couple of side tables with your lamps, and yeah, that's pretty much the space here. You can check out the bathroom. It's a little bit dim, guys. So it's pretty much the same bathroom, and it's massive as well. So much space. Beautiful. I just love how when you walk out, you just have this incredible view of the palm trees, the ocean far over there, and it's just so like, yeah, I think I've said it so many times, but it's calming and relaxing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this resort tour here in Bintana Sa Paraiso, up in their mountain resort in Binunsaran. Make sure to check out their page. I'll have their links in the description, so their website if you want to book here, or yeah, their Instagram page as well to check out what it's like and the photos they've uploaded. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.